Guys, welcome back to another video. It's your girl at her own journey. The channel is changed. Here you see 4 carrots and pumpkin, which is equal to 4 slices of pumpkin. This is what it's looking like after shredding, and I mix all of it together with my hands. Yes, and I'm showing you what it's looking like after I did all of the mixing. Please guys, don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe to my channel. Right here I have my baking powder, eggs, 4 eggs, my butter which need to be melted, sugar, a cup of sugar, nutmeg, cinnamon, and also rose water and almond liquid. And this is my vanilla sorry. So this is all I have right here to get into my carrot and my pumpkin. A 1/4 teaspoon rose water, a 1/4 teaspoon liquid almond, 1 teaspoon nutmeg, 1 tablespoon vanilla, 1 tablespoon baking powder, 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 1.5 cups brown sugar, and 1.5 cups of self-raising flour. So this is all my ingredients, and we are going to head into mixing. This is the 4 eggs, and I'm stirring all the yolks out because I want it to be nicely dissolved. For the rest I'll do it off camera because I was holding the camera while doing this, so I'll show you the after and what it's looking like. So right here, as you can see, I changed the small container that it was in and put it in a larger container because it was taking up a little more time mixing it in that small one. So, and I got a fork instead of a spoon where it can dissolve better. So now I'll add 1.5 cups of brown sugar to my eggs and keep stirring. Here I add my 3 tablespoons of unsalted butter, and I kept on stirring. So here I add a 1/4 teaspoon of rose water to my mixture that I already had mixed, and then I add a 1/4 teaspoon of liquid almond, and I stir all of this together to get that well dissolved in. Mixing away. It was a lot of mixing, guys, a lot of mixing. Don't forget to leave a comment, like up the video. Thanks so much for watching. Here I had my nutmeg, right? That's my nutmeg, so I add that and I was stirring again. A lot of stirring going on in this. So after all that stirring, I'll add this to my carrot and pumpkin, and I'll mix it together. And when I do that, I'll then add my flour. So here I add my 1.5 cups of self-raising flour and also 1 tablespoon of baking powder. Baking powder right there, 1 tablespoon. Knock all out. And I'll stir again. And what I did here, I add some nuts. So this is some almond nuts. I just got them mashed and add it to it. It was not much, but I add it to my mixture along with a little water. So right here I had some raisins and I was like, I'm going to add this to my mixture. So what I did, I got a small container, a small plastic container, pour out a few in the container and add a flour to it and just stir it around so that everything could mix, the flour could mix evenly, and I add it to the mixture. And guys, this came out so good. When I say so good, this came out so good. I enjoyed this piece of carrot and pumpkin cake. Trust me, off the chain. Here I have my baking pan. It's already greased, and now I add just a little bit of flour to the pan, so whenever it's finished, it's not burnt at the bottom. So as you can see right here, I am spreading my flour all around, and here is the mixture. Now I'm going to add that to my pan and bake, and voila, carrots and pumpkin cake. This came out so good. Look at it, guys. Tell me say me not do good for the first time. Tell me say this don't look good, and it tasted so good. It was not burnt or anything. Look good. Only thing missing is my icing. Yeah. Thank you so much for watching. Bye guys.